That's why we learn that take care of the orphan child. The orphan child is very special, and that is the beauty of Allah's deen, where the entire society cares for each one's child. The child that loses their parents, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala takes special care of those children. If we look at the greatest people who achieved the greatest of results, we find them losing their parents in their young ages. Look at Imam Shafi'i rahimahullah, who we will mention soon, because he comes from this lineage. He comes from the lineage of this great Sahabi, or this offspring of Muttalib. Imam Shafi'i lost his father as he was a child. Look at Imam Bukhari rahimahullah. Even the greatest of Allah's creation, the beloved of Allah, Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's why if Allah makes you and I a means to show love to the orphan child, how special that is. Opportunities to serve Allah's deen. This is the beauty of the society system in Islam. وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ. And in Surah Al-Asr, Allah Ta'ala says, collectively care and call each other to haqq, to iman, to good deeds, to good qualities. وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ. And collectively be there for others in times of adversity, in times of difficulty. And also analyze Surah Al-Balad. Hazrat Mufti Al-Haq Sahab Damat Barakatuhum explains here so beautifully that Surah Al-Balad, the chapter on the society, portrays such important rules and methods to bring an upliftment to our society and our social life. Surah Al-Balad, and how to uplift the society, how to protect the deeds, chastity, kindness, وَوَالِدٍ وَمَا وَلَدٍ. In this is an indication that every elderly person is a father to every child, and each child shows love and respect to every elderly person, and this brings nuraniyat and brings Allah's special help in the society. وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْمَرْحَمَةِ. Together working towards the upliftment of the society. That's why in Surah Al-Asr Allah speaks of 4 qualities that every one of us should aspire to bring alive in us and in the community. Not only iman and amal, but with that, coupled with that, is tawasaw bil haqq wa tawasaw bis sabr. Uplifting the community, uplifting humanity. And in the next chapter, which is Humaza, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala notifies us and warns us of 4 deadly traits. Deadly traits that will crumble the community and the society and the ummah. As far as traits, negative qualities, bad habits of slander, backbiting, making this world our be-all and end-all objective of our life, and thinking that this will assist us wa'addada in times of adversity. And things like backbiting and slander will break the community from within. That is not what we should do. Allah save us.